Welcome to Dolce Frutti, where the finest Bartlett pear are nurtured under the warm sun and fertile soils of our family farm. Each pear is hand-picked at peak ripeness. Every pear tells a story of quality and love.
Our Bartlett Pears are known for their crisp, juicy texture and smooth, sweet flavor. Perfectly golden and naturally fragrant, they're a delight for every pear lover.
Packed with essential nutrients like fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants, they're a powerhouse of nutrition. Bartlett Pears supports overall health, a perfect way to enjoy nature's goodness.
Enjoy Bartlett Pears as a refreshing snack. Toss them into your favorite salads or bake them into mouth-watering desserts. Their versatility makes them a must-have in every kitchen.
Celebrate life's moments with Bartlett Pears. Choose from our wide range of packaging sizes and beautifully crafted gift boxes, starting from 3 pounds to 16 pounds, perfect for every occasion.
Order now and savor the sweetness. Bartlett Pear from Dolce Frutti.